The Viofo A119 V3 dashcam sometimes experiences a problem where the date and time reset to default values. This often happens after the camera has been powered off for a period. Let's look at the Viofo A119 V3 camera to understand its features. The most common cause is a depleted or malfunctioning real-time clock battery inside the camera. The RTC battery is a small, rechargeable battery inside the camera that keeps the time running even when the camera is disconnected from external power. This segment explains the date-time reset problem and its root cause, ensuring you understand the context for the fix. The primary symptom of a failing RTC battery is when your dashcam reverts to a default date and time, such as January 1st, 2000. This happens because the battery that maintains the internal clock loses its charge. To confirm the issue, check your video recordings for incorrect timestamps. If the date and time are consistently wrong, especially after the camera has been stored or unused for several days, the RTC battery is likely failing. A sure way to confirm is to disconnect and reconnect the power source. If the date and time reset to the default after this, the RTC battery is not holding a charge and needs replacement. The RTC battery is a small internal component that maintains the clock when the dash cam is not powered. When it fails, the camera cannot remember the correct time. You can see the internal components in this view of the dash cam's circuit board. Before opening the Viofo A119 V3, it's crucial to take safety precautions. First, disconnect the camera from all power sources to prevent any electrical issues. Ground yourself to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic components. Use an anti-static wrist strap and work on a clean, static-free surface. Gather the necessary tools. A small Phillips head screwdriver, specifically designed for electronics. A plastic opening tool or spudger to carefully pry open the camera. And a replacement CR1220 or CR1225 3-volt coin cell battery. Check your specific model for the correct type. Finally, work in a well-lit area to ensure you can see all components clearly. Begin by examining the Viofo A119 V3 dashcam. This is the device we'll be disassembling to access the RTC battery. You'll need plastic opening tools to carefully pry open the casing without damaging the device. These blue tools are specifically designed for electronics disassembly. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing. Start at the seams around the perimeter, gently working your way around. There are clips holding the case together. As you pry, the casing will separate into two halves. Be extremely cautious to avoid damaging any internal components. Once the casing is open, you'll see the internal components including the circuit board, capacitors, and connectors. Locate the RTC battery. It's a small, round, coin-sized battery, typically held in place by a clip or holder. The battery is secured in a circular holder with metallic contacts. Remember to be extremely cautious during disassembly to avoid damaging any internal components. Now we'll remove the old RTC battery. Using a small screwdriver or plastic tool, carefully release the clip or mechanism holding the battery in place. Here you can see the RTC battery in place on the motherboard. Take note of the battery's orientation, the positive and negative sides, before removing it. Using a small screwdriver or plastic tool, carefully release the clip holding the battery in place. Gently remove the old battery, ensuring you note its orientation for proper replacement. Dispose of the old battery properly according to local regulations for electronic waste. Now insert the new CR1220 or CR225 3-volt coin cell battery into the holder. Begin by identifying the correct battery type for your Viofo A119 V3. The CR1220 is the most common battery for this camera, but CR1225 is also compatible. Both are 3 volts lithium coin cell batteries. Ensure the battery is oriented correctly, with the positive side up as indicated by the plus sign on the battery and the holder markings. Insert the battery into the holder, making sure it's securely seated. The battery should fit snugly without any gaps. Double-check the polarity before proceeding. The positive side must face up as marked on the holder. Incorrect polarity will damage the circuit board. Once the battery is properly installed and polarity confirmed, you can proceed to reassemble the camera. Carefully reassemble the Viofo A119 V3 casing, ensuring all clips are properly aligned and snap back into place. Once reassembled, connect the camera to a power source and turn it on. Go into the Settings menu and set the correct date and time. Allow the camera to run for a few minutes, then disconnect it from power. Wait for several hours, then reconnect the power and check if the date and time have been retained. If the date and time still reset after replacing the battery, double-check the battery's voltage with a multimeter to ensure it's good. Also, inspect the battery holder and surrounding circuitry for any signs of damage or corrosion. As a final tip, consider using a high-quality replacement battery from a reputable brand for optimal performance. If problems persist, consult a professional electronics repair technician.